Guys, we were just fucking chilling, and we heard this loud fucking bang.
And you know when there's a fucking ghost by, it fucking gets cool, and I felt that.
Footage anyways.
So fucking.
Wait, you're actually trying to?
Yes.
That light just fucking shut off down there. Fuck this. I got that on kit. Dude, I got that on video, I'm pretty sure. The fucking light down there turned off. Yo, what is up, guys? Brady here. So you already know we're back up on the overnight challenges. We got Tate right here, not Ethan, and then we got Ethan right back there, as you can see. Overnight in construction zone. Basically, it's gonna be a fat W. We got food. I mean, like, let's just get it going. We're outside the school. We gotta sneak in. So let's get this GoPro going, and yeah.
Let's fucking go.
All right, let's go.
Embarrassing.
All right, let's get it in, baby.
All right.
Let's go. Why are you parked next to? Oh my fuck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm coming.
Here, I'm trying out. All right, basically, there's a building right here. I don't really think people care, but we're about to walk down this road, and there is a fence that's open. School is down there. Gonna go in and sneak into the construction zone. Ethan, come on. Yo, Tate, look how far Tate is. Once we get into this fence, we'll be good. Like, we gotta get up to the top of this road, though. Yo. What? Okay, guys. God damn, that dude was driving like 10 miles an hour. Oh shit. Alright. Alright, guys, the lights up there is a construction zone. We got to take this trail across the field to get there, so I'll see you there. Alright, guys, so basically the deal is we're walking to the construction zone right now. Sorry you can't see it. It'll be brighter when we get up there. We're heading in, we have food, we're gonna grub down, just chill out for a little bit, and then after a couple hours we're gonna try and get up on the roof and do some fun shit. All right, you hype, Ethan? All right, let's do it, baby. All right, we ready? Yo, that's weird though. There's literally nobody here. I thought I saw a car. Usually, guys, there's janitors parked along this side of the building. That's weird. There's nobody here. You picked a perfect night, boys.
So what are we doing first?
We're gonna go in, explore, and then grub down. We're gonna just take a quick peek through to see if anyone's there, and then we'll grub down. We should go up the ladder though and to eat. Instead of. How are you gonna get that shit up the ladder, Tate?
Wait, you can't hold this shit. I'll climb up first.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Here.
Don't put on the fucking snow.
I know you guys can't see anything. Sorry about that, but it'll get brighter once we go inside.
That shit. That's not shit.
All right. No, the way. No, but we can get in through the front.
That's what's eating us right there, bro. That's what's eating us.
I don't know, man.
That's so
Oh shit, this is so fucking muddy. Yo. They covered it up.
Dude, do it again. Put the light on.
Finding another entrance.
No. You know the front way where the open huge thing is? We can get in through there. Shit. Hold on. No, I checked that. That's locked.
No, that.
Out there?
Yes.
Guys, it's over.
Oh, no.
You go check. I want to go down here and look. Yo, guys, come here. Guys, come here. Guys, I found a way. Guys, come on. I found a way. All right, take go.
Watch out for people.
Oh shit. Yeah, let's go. All right. Come on. Come on. Here, we should set it up better. Yo, let's go, guys. We fucking did it. That was like Mission Impossible type shit. Jesus. Yo, Guys, that was some Mission Impossible shit. If you remember 2 weeks ago, the video we did, there was an easy way to get in. That way was boarded up, and all the ways were boarded up. Look at this shit. This was open. Dude, that's like some Mission Impossible type shit. All right. Hold on, hold on. I thought we weren't gonna get in.
Bro, I'm ripping through that fucking mesh if we have to leave.
Yo, I didn't think there was a way to get in, but then I found that. That was fucking clutch. Hold on. All right. But yo, let's still try to get out of this line of light, because I don't know, I just don't trust it. Yo, they changed this shit up so much. Yo, the ladder's gone. There's gotta be another way up there though. Yo, look. Yeah, there's another way, there has to be. Alright guys, if you remember this from last time, the ladder's gone. We gotta find another way up. Yo, look. Right here. Right here. Let's go. Alright, look at. Hold on, hold on. Right there. Let's fucking go. Alright guys, we found a spot to eat. Boom. Grubbing down. I'm gonna go look around. I thought I saw somebody say hello or some shit like that, so. Guys. I did not think we were gonna find a fucking way in here. Because, okay, we came here like 2 weeks ago. And literally, there was just an easy fucking door to go into. And goddamn, dude, what the fuck was that? There was an easy fucking door to go into. And like, that way was literally blocked off. We clutched it, dude. We found an easy way to get in. Let's fucking go, baby. I swear to God, I keep hearing.
I said no tomatoes, you can give me a fucking tomato.
I swear I keep hearing voices or something. It's like insane how hot it is. I swear I keep hearing voices down the hallway.
Oh no, we keep trying content. Or up There's us. You see crazy.
Dude, clutched. Seriously.
Is this even going to be a classroom? No, it's not.
Alright, we just scrubbed down.
Oh,
We're
this is
checking.
where we came out.
Yeah.
Look how much fucking...
They need like water from here.
That fucking W. Alright guys, basically we're gonna explore and chill out for an hour. I don't know how long, but we're gonna chill out and then literally go try to get up on the roof later. Go jump off this.
That's like the sped class.
Are you trying to jump off that?
Fuck no. No, you gotta fucking out. Break suicidal.
Tate, you just gonna hold that the whole time?
Yeah. Good point.
We hands free. Except for me.
Point taken.
Yo, this goes into the fucking school. Look.
Don't go over there, bro. That's a good motion. Don't go over there.
Dude, there's stairs down there. That goes into the school, everybody.
The school has a motion detector.
Yeah, fuck that.
Mother, this is the roof that has the light. Outside.
Wait, the roof is literally right up there.
Yeah, this is the light. That's like outside the wall.
That's where we came through, everybody. The ladder.
Going down the sketch ladder.
This ladder is sketch though. I don't like how that. Fuck it.
Fuck it, bruh. Just fuck it. Don't die, bruh. Look how far that is, bruh.
You think you can go down the ladder with that camera in your hand?
No. What's up, TikTok?
Dude, should I TikTok this?
Yeah.
TikTok this.
I start doing the renegade. I'm gonna throw my camera down there. Ready?
No.
Fucking W.
We're supposed to be here for how many hours?
Until 4.
What are we supposed to do?
Is it only 9:30?
What are we supposed to do here for all this time?
Are you fucking kidding me?
9:30. So
What are we gonna do here?
Am I supposed to just go back to Brady's car and just vibe out?
Yeah.
9:33.
Fuck.
Oh, well, let's just chill.
What are we supposed to do?
Or we can go like to the South Campus roof.
No. Don't touch it. That goes in school, remember?
Does it?
Yes. That goes into school. Don't touch it.
Don't
Touch it.
Are you doing it out?
No.
Oh,
Wait, so are you actually trying to like go outside?
dude, I'm trying to do something.
Because we explored this place. We gotta sleep in here.
Sweet. We didn't see that.
We gotta go on the roof at some point.
Some point.
You're zooming in.
No, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go breaking back. Oh, that's the only thing.
I think me and Damon can stick around sometimes. Do you do that?
No.
Alright guys, basically we're about to go and try to get on a South Campus roof. Cause we're bored. So let's do it.
Let's explore the area. I'm not trying to go. I'm not trying to walk over there. Let's explore north. Let's explore that like the courtyard.
You want to?
Yeah. No.
Alright, actually we'll go explore the courtyard in North Campus.
Okay. No, drop down and see if it's far.
All right, let's go. Feels good and it feels nice and cold down here. All right. That's not even a far drop, actually. Look, Tate. Literally nothing.
Yeah, but like, you got hold on to these planks and break off.
We jumped off farther than that.
Here, we'll try it next time.
Damn.
All right, we're up in the courtyard. Look at this shit right here. Yo. Yo. I don't know.
We have to jump off here and fucking stuck down there or what?
You tweak.
Nah, this is being legit right now, bro. Like, fuck.
Taser your ass?
Yeah, fucking, let's do something. Yo, what's up, boys? We're just chilling.
Just chilling out on this picnic table.
My throat hurts. I might
Looks
be,
like too much penis.
no, I might be getting sick or something.
Wearing all black. Pretty sure they're stealing with their backpack. They're gonna search your backpacks, Bray.
And there's
They're
gonna
gonna
be
see
food.
that I have Pringles in there and shit.
Yo, what
The fuck is this? You steal this from the class?
Dude, what about the homeless person that's under the bridge?
Oh, he's dead.
What if
He's dead, bro. There's no way he's alive.
No, he's actually dead.
what if he's like frozen and his ass cheeks are wide open?
People just go over there just to fuck him.
Or else it's a girl.
Yeah,
Fucking
never
Netflix sucks.
Jade, shut the fuck up.
No,
Dude, there's like gonna be a SWAT van.
So what? Hurry up! Hurry up!
He's gonna just start open fire.
juggernauts,
Yeah, Juggernaut's gonna come out of the sky.
choppers.
And choppers. It's gonna be like a
Jets.
tank. It's gonna be a tank. Hands up, hands up.
Dude, I'd probably like, if that actually happens, I'd probably jump through that.
Through the window?
Yeah, and just keep running.
Yo, what if a SWAT car came up though, and like a whole entire like canine group and like just like couple juggernauts?
Hunts us down.
then
Yo,
they
the
find
juggernaut,
Brady
if he
and then
sees you break
No,
through
they
the window,
find-
he'd be like with his minigun.
So they find Brady, line him up on the wall over there, and just execute him.
Yeah, they're like the secret cops that execute people.
Dude, that'd be badass.
Per day.
I know.
Yo, if we get caught, I'm not going to school.
Well, no shit.
We're going to school the next day and saying sorry to all the construction workers.
We're sorry.
We're sorry.
They pull out guns and execute us. The construction workers.
We're like, we're sorry. We can't forgive you. And then they kill Brady and let us go.
on your knees.
Suck your dick. They make you suck your dick. Suck
They
my
got
dick.
they got shotguns. They got a double barrel.
Blow your
Blow your
brains
whole
out.
entire head off.
What if some cop just walked over here? What you guys doing?
Arson. Let's go. You go.
Hurry up.
Alright, we're just gonna chill up here for a little bit, I guess. We're just trying to kill some time. Alright, guys, we're chilling out on the roof, actually.
You give him that face.
Couldn't find a ladder, so we're up on South Campus roof.
Yeah, that hair, bro. That's
As you can
don't know
see.
how much I want that hair so bad.
And yeah, we're just chilling out. There's a flag over there.
Oh, this
Boom. That's a pretty nice shot, dude. Damn.
This thing's not funny, boys.
This is a pretty good camera. For that, we're just chilling out right now.
Dude, stop.
Alright guys, we were up here for like a half hour just looking at memes, so gonna get down now and go to the construction zone. Oh shit. Damn, Ethan, I didn't even get that.
fucking slippery.
Oh man, it's cold.
Alright, Tate, I see you. Taking it slow.
Let's go.
Fat W.
Oh my hands.
Let's go, mission complete. Somebody up there? Alright guys, we made it back. Cool little mission. We were out for like the light down and turned off?
Let's go over, bro. Fuck it.
Go down there. They
It's
shut
only
off.
way up.
Yes, shut off. Maybe it's just the automatic light. What light? What fucking light are you talking about? This one? You mean that? What the fuck? Talking about a light turning off. Shit. Sorry.
Oh my god, this is so boring.
Is that a banger?
Bro, like set the camera over there, but then we put the before we saw the guy like running down the hallway.
Watch the camera move. He watched the camera move by itself all the way down the hallway. Dude, shut the fuck up.
Yo, I'm trying to leave. Yo, I'm actually trying to leave.
Dude, you're scaring yourself. Yeah, Tate, stop talking about it.
You talked about it. You think that's
Just big old mashed potato. Wait, Soulja Boy made that song?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
That's all. That's all you. Yeah.
You saw him 7 foot level where he's just walking down the hall.
Shut the fuck up, Tate. Seriously.
Like he's
I'm about
tall.
to leave.
He's like a tall 7 foot over there. He's like, doo-doo-doo-doo. He has like a big old kitchen knife.
Tate, I'm about to leave.
Those shits ain't real though.
Where do you saw Pennywise back?
Shut the fuck
Like, he just runs down the hall. It's like,
We can't think he's real. It's easy to defeat.
oh yeah, true. We're gonna think of him as a baby. He's like,
Right?
oh my god, Brady.
Tate, shut up.
Shut up.
Should I just leave this recording down the hall the whole night and just see what I get?
No.
What if
You
something?
yourself out when you're watching the video.
No, but I'll be at home and I'll be like, God damn, what was that? Cause you know I miss you.
Are you still paranoid right now?
Cause you're doing it.
I'm doing what?
Soldier boy told you.
I don't know how you guys can be scared, but it's all three of us.
Yeah, 3 against 1. Come on, Tate.
Yeah, that big old monster's gonna not take all of this. The one that distracts me back to the video to watch this right now.
Oh, hopefully. What hopefully?
Or you don't also. But it's
You guys wanna watch Endgame? You wanna watch
Endgame? That movie's like 4 hours.
Perfect?
Guys, we were just fucking chilling. And we heard this loud fucking bang.
And you know when there's a fucking ghost by, it fucking gets cool, and I felt that.
Did you? Dude, guys, we fucking heard something. I swear to God. No, fuck it. Just fucking go down, Tate. Did you actually feel cold, Ethan? Guys, you don't understand how fucking loud that was. I wish I fucking got that on video.
The whole fucking ground shake.
Guys, we were talking about scary shit, trying to scare each other, and we were like, yeah, someone's gonna run across the hallway. But yo, we literally fucking heard the loudest bang. Something fell. I don't know what it is, but guys, you're actually trying to just dip right now? Let's just go to my car, fuck it.
Dude, I'm not ready.
Damn it, I wish I got that. If I was fucking recording a little longer, I would have got that. Was that it?
Yo, I'm still trying to go make up shit.
That still sucks because there's no wind.
That thing fucking fell?
There's no wind. It's inside. Plus, it's underground.
But we did station it up like shit.
Yo, I don't care, man.
But still, how could that fucking happen?
That thing was stood up, the wood, in front of the door.
It's perfectly still. So, let's go.
Let's just go to your fucking car. I'm not trusting you.
We got enough footage anyways.
So, fucking.
Wait, you actually trying to?
Yeah.
Yeah. One.
Wait, you actually trying to?
Yeah. One.
Wait, you actually trying to?
Yes.
That light just fucking shut off down there. Fuck this. I got that on kit. Dude, I got that on video, I'm pretty sure. The fucking light down there turned off.
Make sure you prop that up good.
Dude, this...
Anybody got a light? Fuck you. Anybody got a light?
Yeah.
Here, get put on hold. Hurry up.
It was this thing that fell, but... Dude, it was so fucking loud.
Let's go. Fuck it. Let's go, dude.
Of course, Tate. Dude, that was so fucking...
Shit was loud.
That light
Dude,
down there...
and there's no wind. There's no wind.
That wood cannot make that loud of a sound, bro. That sounds metal. That sounds like a.
Okay, guys, you don't... Fuck, I wish I got that on video.
That sounds like a forklift falling, bro.
And then the light down there shut off. Oh my god.
Let's
Turn
go.
on the light, bro. Turn on your light. Fuck it. Get out here. Fuck it.
Oh shit!
Yo, guys.
What?
On God. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Dude, guys. On God. We were just sitting there and everybody was talking about scary shit.
No.
Let's show them the video that we were talking about. And dude, loud ass boom.
Right when I did that, I was like, oh, yo, what's that? I was joking, and then I
Dude.
slammed down.
And then the fucking light shut off. Like, I know I got that on video though. The light shutting off, I know. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Dude, I got up so fast, dude.
You should have saw me, bro. I was like,
Yo, what the actual fuck?
Ray, did you put that fucking drywall back?
What drywall?
The thing you made is a bed.
No, fuck it. I'm not going to fix that shit. Dude,
Dude, what the
Dude, I had a bad feeling of that construction zone for some reason.
I didn't think of anything. It was right by school, so I didn't think of anything.
Yo, fuck, you guys just really have to believe us. Like, we
were
proved it
recording-
to you. We proved it to you. Like, we had the board up, and then when we came down, there's no way we could have moved it, and it was down. So that just proves.
There's no wind. It's inside a room.
The board is up too. It was like hanging like this. How could it fall that way?
God damn. Dude, fuck that.
What were the chances of me doing that and it falling right at that moment? No, fuck this.
No, that thing that's cursed. There's something actually in there though, I feel like. I swear to God.
The light keeps turning off the random sound.
The lights actually were turning
when
off.
When we first arrived there, you said you heard voices too, dude.
Yeah, when we first arrived and we went up the ladder for the first time, we were chilling in the room eating. I heard like some kind of whispering. God.
That scared me so bad.
Guys, I don't clickbait my shit, and you guys should know that by now.
No, I actually heard something over there.
I don't clickbait my shit, you should know that by now. Fuck it, let's just go up this way.
Fuck.
Nah, Tate, let's just go up this way.
This way, this way?
Yeah, just go this way, Jake. Follow us.
Guys, I don't clickbait my shit, you should know that by now.
What if the social media is writing down there really fast?
What? No, but you like, yeah, there was wood under it, but it shouldn't have made that loud of a sound. That wasn't even a big piece of wood.
Fuck that, dude. That's cursed, man.
That's the video we're watching.
That's the video that
and
we
the
were
face at the beginning is what, like, we were just joking around about that little kid thing just running around. But yo, swear to fucking God.
Dude, on God, on everything I had, bro.
I don't clickbait my shit. I swear to God, we're not fucking with you right now.
Never again. I'm going back.
Nah, we're not going in there ever again.
Sorry, guys. No.
You know what? I was gonna do this overnight challenge.
Oh, wait, no, I'm seeing shit now. I'm just seeing shit.
We were gonna do this overnight challenge seriously. But like once shit like that happens, no, we're not staying to see what else happens. We're not staying to find out. Fuck
I swear to God, I saw something
that.
I'm seeing stuff now.
Okay, we're not fucking around. Like,
We're dead ass.
that actually happens. If I was, like, when the time lapse you saw, the camera laying on the ground in the middle of the hallway just looking at us, if I would have been recording for like an extra 5 minutes, it would have got it on video.
Nobody's
Seriously.
gonna believe us, but actually.
Nah, you guys, if you guys are true fans, you should know I don't clickbait. Like, I do all my shit for real. We are not fucking around.
Brady put on his shit. I was like, I didn't even have anything. I was like, no, wait.
See, this is, I knew this was gonna happen. That's why I didn't bring anything. Because I knew this exactly.
Yeah, before when we first came in, Tate was like, yeah, if some kind of like scary shit or somebody chases us type shit, I don't have a bag, so I don't have to worry about grabbing it. And then some scary type shit happened.
And then I forget my bag. Rest in peace.
Fuck your bag. It's about our.
That was $2, man.
It's about our lives. Dude, he left his Bang like energy drink in there.
With a Walmart bag on it in that room. They're gonna know, like, what's this Bang doing here?
No, it's not worth it. It's not worth it to go back. You trying to go back and get the Bang?
No.
Fuck it.
Fuck it.
You actually, it's a
What
mission.
the bang?
No, it's not. I'm not going back, bro. That's not no mission.
Bushes, the bang fucking flies over and hits the car.
What if the Bang was gone?
When we went back.
And we went back. All
And
that
then
way-
we went back and we
And
were
then
like
the lights
stuck in
turn
there.
off.
Dude, nah. Fuck that, dude. You're going in there by yourself to get your
Take me
Bang.
home, dude.
Alright. Please just believe us, guys. We're not fucking around right now. We're actually serious. Any last words?
Peace out.
Yeah, peace out.
Alright, peace out, bitches.